Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. The truck driver must have been daydreaming, or maybe just fighting off a nap. On November 6th in Qijing, Yunnan, a truck didn't bother slowing down while making a high-speed U-turn, leaving the driver's seat crushed and deformed. Is that man in the red hat really sitting there, or is he just a part of the scenery? The truck thought it could sneak through the yellow light for a few seconds, but it turns out those few seconds were all it took to pay the price. The man took the wrong lane, ran a red light, and the next second, bam! That lane divider might as well have been invisible to the white SUV. It definitely didn't see it coming. The truck lost control on the road, but the driver coming up managed to pull off some smart moves and avoid a head-on collision. Talk about a real-life action hero. When turning, remember to slow down, unless you're auditioning for the next Fast and Furious movie. That rough patch of road turned the tractor into a wild ride. Guess it forgot it wasn't in a demolition derby. The truck was speeding into the turn, and with the wet, slippery road, the driver lost control, turning a simple corner into a disaster movie scene. The fuel tanker driver was driving so recklessly, the other truck had no choice but to crash into the guardrail for a dramatic exit. Cross the road like your ex is watching, carefully and with zero mistakes. Is this a car or a tractor in disguise? Asking for a confused farmer. The white SUV on the right just signed up for a full-time job, taking all the blame. The SUV made the bold decision to spin around recklessly and ended up getting a free ride, courtesy of a truck pushing it for over 10 meters. Looks like the truck's axle is about to start its own bonfire. Must be so hot that the tire decided it couldn't hang on any longer. Two trucks were tailgating that red car like they were in a race, and when the red car slammed on the brakes, they were left wondering where their reaction time went. The big truck switched lanes without checking its blind spots, and the little car on the right was left wondering if it had become invisible. Looks like the owner forgot they were hauling bikes on the roof. Lucky for the pedestrian, They took a few steps ahead just in time. Otherwise, that out-of-control car might have turned them into an accidental hood ornament. The sedan switched lanes, like it was in a video game, forcing the truck to dodge. The three-wheeler pulled off the ultimate stealth move, sliding right into the blind spot of the turning car. Despite the warning signs for construction up ahead, this car must have been too busy to notice, because slowing down wasn't part of the plan. The driver, too tired to stay focused, ended up giving the guardrail a surprise hug. Let's hope the driver is safe. The sedan made a sudden turn, giving the car behind it a heart-stopping moment. Talk about an unplanned roller coaster. How cold does it need to be for an excavator to freeze up like that? Asking for a snowman friend. That truck must have been going so fast it thought it was auditioning for a Fast and Furious movie. Let's hope this truck doesn't take a nap before the rescue team shows up. The wheel loader has officially declared this spot its new home. Time to wait for reinforcements to pull it out. Wow, the owner of this car must have had superhuman reflexes to slam on the brakes just in time for a 3-car pileup up ahead. With the road this icy, it's probably a good idea to slow down, unless you're trying to star in the next ice road rescue. The red car is officially the designated scapegoat for this mess. Oh, I bet that woman just got her driver's license. Looks like she's still figuring out how to handle the roads. I'd bet anything that if they try to reverse now, that front bumper is going to make a dramatic exit all on its own. One car just had a tire blowout out of nowhere. That car's front end is practically unrecognizable after bravely but foolishly squaring off against a giant truck. The truck driver managed to stop just in time before attempting to tackle that height. Looks like common sense kicked in before the roof did. This truck slammed into the back of another so hard, the cab decided to audition as a fireball. Despite having someone carefully guiding it from below, that truck couldn't escape its fate, destined to flip over like it was auditioning for a slow-motion action scene. This semi-trailer just set a new record, taking down 4 roadside trees in one epic move. The big truck took a wrong turn, so naturally it thought reversing on the highway was the solution. Spoiler, the police didn't agree and handed out a ticket. This is the process of carefully extracting a car from the scrapyard, a task that requires both skill and the right equipment. The key tool for the job is an industrial clamp attached to an excavator. With its powerful grip, this clamp allows the operator to lift, twist, and peel apart the car in a controlled manner, ensuring that each part is removed with precision. Without this specialized tool, the process could become much more difficult and chaotic, as the operator would struggle to disassemble the vehicle by hand or with less effective machinery. The clamp ensures that the car is separated in an organized way, preventing unnecessary damage and making the entire operation far more efficient. It's a delicate balance of strength and finesse, turning what could be a messy, dangerous job into a much smoother and more controlled process. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.